Gia.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we'll wave. We'll wave.
All right, so then
So basically,
-4.
alright, you dick. You dick. So basically,
Why is it +5 for dick?
oh, it just depends.
Or is
Like,
that the number? Like
it's just a
that it
number
is?
that
Oh, okay. I was like, what the fuck? Alright, there was a point.
blood time, injury time, recovery. What the fuck is that?
Oh, it's because like if they start bleeding.
I know, but you need like a minute 30. Oh, this is blood time. This is injury time, and this is recovery time. That's so smart.
And this is for each person?
Yeah, this is for whoever is on red and whoever's on green.
Alright, so then this guy's a supervillain. This guy's a patient from West Carolina.
West Carolina. There's no such thing as West Carolina. So basically, Dick, you better freaking record.
I told you.
I don't know how we're gonna work this shit. This is automatically connected to this anyway.
Yeah, so first, am I gonna be like,
You're gonna be like Jonathan Romero from Patriot W-C and Romero Justus. Well, dude, freaking. What if it's like the wrong person? Where's the? Oh look, how cute! Oh my god, look! It's a little like repeat. Yes, you're supposed to do that, obviously.
Like 15, right?
Yeah.
I walk out.
No, at 10.
Oh, I thought it was 15.
You walk out like.
So then I'll be like,
You'd be like cross.
professional. I'll
Be like cross.
it's professional. This is professional. It's not.
No, dude,
I don't want to hurt you.
Freaking on the back of their head. Hey.
It's done.
It's done, dumbass. Let me see. Oh, we have the bands. We have the green and red. We have scissors and nose plugs. Oh, freaking. What else do we have? And gloves, just in case we have to freaking do some medical. Watch, we're gonna add them here or something.
Yeah, it's gonna be like a
We did awesome, and then some kid's gonna get like a broken nose, and I'm gonna be like, okay, I guess I gotta stick it up, break it back in.
Start. All right. So like we're like, all right.
Okay, say okay, here.
All right, ready?
Start it.
All right. So
Stop
this
it.
guy's good. You got the team.
So you're gonna be like,
You don't stop.
I know, but I'm just freaking working it.
All right.
So we're gonna go
Take down.
take down. So take down, and then freaking go again.
La. He's wrong. You gotta reverse it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh yeah, it goes into. Oh, let's go.
Yeah. Reset.
Alright.
And
Get
I
rid of
gotta.
the coins. How do you do that? Reset. Or is that what you said first?
No, that's the timer.
Minus. What?
We just like balance it. Yeah. We're like, gosh.
Already. Oh wait, never mind. We don't need to do.
Never mind,
So,
yeah.
like,
If you guys are gonna get into the match, if you guys can hit stop while you guys are in there.
Yeah.
Did you already do that?